everyone! It's almost Mother's Day and I wanted to show you how to make these paper roses. These are super pretty, they're kind of easy to make, and they can be used for Mother's Day, as a Valentine's Day gift, or for basically any event. Let's get started. You'll need 4 flower colored squares that are half the width of a piece of regular printer paper. 1 square of green of about the same size. A rectangle of green about the length of the regular sheet of printer paper and the width of about a thumb. Glue and scissors, and a skewer. Take 1 of the flower colored squares, fold diagonally down into a triangle. Fold across into a smaller triangle, and then fold across again into an even smaller triangle. Cut an arc, like so. Do the same thing to the other 3 squares. You should have what looks like 4 flowers. Cut 1 petal off of 1 flower. For the next, cut 2 petals off. Cut 3 off the next. And cut the last one in half. Now we have all the petal parts as shown. For all the ones with 2 or more petals, glue the 2 end petals together. After the glue dries, cut a very tiny bit off the bottom of each so that they can easily be skewered later. Now we can curl the petals to make them look fancier. It's now time for the skewing. Take the single petal and the back end of the skewer and glue the petal around the skewer. Hold this for a while for the glue to dry if the glue isn't strong. Put some glue on the outside of the base of the single petal and slide the next smallest one on. I struggled a bit here because I didn't cut the hole big enough, but that's easily fixed with a pair of scissors. Gently push the new petal up as high as it can go, while making sure the attached petal is still stable by pushing it gently down. Repeat for the other petals, from the least number of petals to the most, staggering the petals' directions as we put it in. For those small leaf-like parts at the bottom of the flower called sepals, use the square of green. Fold it into a triangle 3 times just like before. Cut along a curve like this. Cut a very tiny bit off the bottom and curl the tips like before. Put some glue at the bottom of the flower and slide the leaf on. Add a bit more glue at the base of each leaf to better secure it. Since most of the green square is still unused, let's use some of the leftovers. Put 2 leftover pieces together, fold it in half, and cut a half leaf shape like so to make 2 little leaves. Use another leftover piece, cut it in half, and it will be used as a base for where the green of the stem will start. Now take the long strip of green and wrap it around the skewer, gluing the top of the strip to the green base. We will put the leaves in wherever it looks nice by putting glue on both sides of the bottom of the leaf and wrapping the strip around it to hold it in place. Before gluing the strip to the bottom, I like to gently stretch out the green strip to make it less crumbled. Glue the bottom of the strip and you're done. You can also open up the two leaves a little bit, but be careful not to tear it like I did. If you did though, just snip the extra part away and it's fixed. And there you go, a paper rose that rhymed. Thank you for watching, and if you want to try your hand at making some origami, here is a video on how to make an origami tulip. Happy Mother's Day!